Tagaytay.
Oh, I get it. Makes sense.
What's a Tagaytay?
Tagaytay is a
in the
place.
Philippines.
Think about it.
Think about it.
Ito yung imposter, guys.
Kahit anong word.
Yeah.
Ay.
Many.
Pwede. Many.
Oo, pwede. Yeah.
Pa-
Makes sense, makes sense.
Many.
Baguio.
I guess.
Oh, simple.
Yeah, Baguio.
Parang hindi. Nagsumabay siya sa Tagaytay.
Coffee. Drink siya. Joke. Word ko, suck. No, S-A-C. Yeah,
Coffee.
Coffee. Oh, yeah. Mm.
Mira to.
Si Mira.
Mira yung ano. Mira yung imposter.
Hindi. No, think about it. Think about it. Think about it, darling.
Tagal na naman. Pag siya.
Oh.
Black.
Black.
Okay.
Okay, pwede.
Ito na, Baguio.
Okay.
Wait.
De
Ha?
Oro.
Hindi. May lang yung mama. Think about it. Brown.
Ay, sumabay sa kulay black.
Hindi siya black. Black siya pag sunod.
Kidney. Gets mo kung matalino ka, alam mo yun. Kidney.
Nagets yung kidney pero yung Baguio hindi.
Blood. Charot. Cold drinks.
Cold drinks.
Sige, pwede
Okay,
na.
pwede. Acceptable.
Carrying.
Huh?
Carrying, guys.
Sino na ang imposter?
Okay.
Carry.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ito.
Ito.
Ako eto.
Ito, alin sa dalawa na to?
Sige,
Wait lang,
sabay-sabay
wait lang.
tayo ng
Okay.
word
Ako to.
1, 2, 3, go.
Bag of beans.
Ito.
I told you! I told you!
Kasi may Baguio
I'm
beans,
telling
diba?
you guys.
No, you're pointing at me.